Get ready to conquer the city that never sleeps with Hancock, your golden ticket to the Big Apple. Embrace yourself for a mesmerizing student home in New York City where dreams are made and stories begin. Say hello to the future of student living with Hancock's contemporary shared homes, offering an unbeatable student experience in a range of shared apartments. Step into modern, fully furnished spaces that boast a comfy bed, a bedside table with a table lamp, and windows inviting in pleasant natural light. Say goodbye to laundry woes with the on-site facility at your service. Plus, the complimentary monthly cleaning is at your disposal to ensure you stay in a hygienic space. Stay seamlessly connected with high-speed Wi-Fi and dive into a buzzing social life with exciting community events. Spend a Sunday afternoon sipping craft beer at the Wilkie or picnic in Saratoga Park. For a fantastic night out, read to L'Antagonist, a French restaurant just a short walk from Hancock. No need to stress about your commute. Bus stops and train stations are conveniently close, making citywide travel a breeze. And if that's not enough to convince you, both Brooklyn Law School and Brooklyn College are just a short drive away, making it an ideal choice for students. If your quest for the ideal student residence has been long, look no further than Hancock. Your search ends here. Head to emberstudent.com to secure the finest accommodation for your stay.